In this video, you'll learn how to delete a Vercel project. This process is straightforward and will help you manage your projects effectively. Begin by navigating to the Vercel website in your preferred web browser. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience while accessing the platform. Once the page loads, look for the Overview section, which is typically displayed prominently on your dashboard. Click on the Overview option to proceed to the next step. After that, locate the Projects tab, which can usually be found in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking on Projects will take you to a list of all your existing projects. Next, find the specific project you wish to delete. Click on the name of that project to access its detailed view. This step is crucial as it ensures you are working with the correct project before proceeding. Once the project page is open, look for an icon with 3 dots, often found in the upper right corner of the project details page. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal additional options for managing your project. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This action will direct you to the Settings page for the selected project, where you can manage various configurations. Scroll down the Settings page until you see the option to delete the project. It is important to carefully review the information provided to ensure you are ready to permanently remove this project. Finally, click on the Delete button. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Follow the instructions provided to finalize the deletion process. Remember that this action is irreversible, so double check that you are. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.